Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Challenge and Inspired Smeshal Pirai.
I'll be teaching you very simple 3 yoga that will be very helpful to stop hair fall. What are the reasons of hair fall? Why do we have hair fall? Why are we suffering today because of hair fall? There are various reasons. In that, the first one is our lifestyle. Our lifestyle plays a very important role in all the parts. It has reason for all the problems and it is the cause of all the problems. How it is cause of all the problems, how lifestyle is important here, how it is playing an important role. So if our lifestyle is not good, means what? Our digestion is not good, our diet is not good, we are not taking those nutrients that requires for proper digestion, for proper growth of hair follicles. After lifestyle, what comes? Nutrients. If we are not eating healthy diet, balanced diet, so means we are not taking those nutrients that requires for hair growth, that requires for our good skin, nails and our immunity for us. Next one is if we have any hormonal disorders, if we are suffering from any hormonal diseases, say for example thyroid, PCOD, diabetes, these are very common hormonal disorders. So if we have any hormonal disorders, for sure we'll be suffering from hair falls. So one is if we are suffering from any kind of diseases and we are taking any medications. So yes, medications have its side effects, it has its adverse drug reactions and all. उसके बाद जो आता है नेक्स्ट, जो कि बहुत ही कॉमन है और आजकल बहुत ही ट्रेंडी है, लाइक हेयर डाई, हेयर कलर एंड वी आर गिविंग हीट टू आवर हेयर, हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग, हेयर कर्लिंग एंड ऑल लॉट्स मोर, एंड केमिकल को से ट्रीट करते हैं अपने बालों को, तो लाइक केमिकल्स आर नॉट दैट गुड फॉर आवर हेयर. व्हाट शैम्पू वी आर यूजिंग एंड how much our scalp is clean, that plays a very important role, because if our scalp is not clean, means we will sometimes we have dandruff. So you have to take care the techniques what you use to massage your scalp, whether you are massaging or not, what kind of oil you are using, what kind of shampoo you are using, how many times and how you are using, all these factors plays an important role here. So let's get into the video and let's learn this yoga. Very simple, very easy and very productive.
Our first yoga is Balayam yoga. Like we all know that it was made famous all over the world by Baba Ramdev. So I really thank him. He's a very great inspiration for me. So for this, just need to rub the fingernails of both hands together. Bring your hands together so that the nails of all fingers are in contact with each other. सो एक चीज ध्यान रखना है इसमें, अपने थंब के नेल्स को रब नहीं करना है, अदर फिंगर्स के नेल को रब करना है. किसी भी पोजीशन में आप बैठे हो, लेटे हो, टीवी देख रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, ट्रैवल कर रहे हो कहीं, तो अगर आपके हैंड्स फ्री हैं तो आप किसी भी पोस्चर में, डे, इवनिंग, नाइट, कभी भी आप इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो, कभी भी कर सकते हो, 5 to 10 minutes. Second one is Apanasana. So it purifies the body and flushes out the toxins, improves the hair growth, and what it does, it stimulates the hair follicles so that there will be a better hair growth. For this yoga, lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest. Move your legs up with the strength of your thighs. Hold it for few seconds. Inhale and then let your leg move away. It is very good for our hair growth, and also it improves our digestion and removes the toxins from the body. So like try holding for 5 to 10 minutes and then leave. Our third yoga is Vajrasana. This asana is very, very common, and this is not only for hair growth, it is very, very good for our digestion. So खाने के बाद 5 से 10 मिनट वैसे भी हमको वज्रासन में बैठना चाहिए. ये हमारे स्कैल्प में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को काफ़ी हद तक इंक्रीज करता है और हेयर फॉलिकल्स को एनेबल करता है अच्छे से ग्रो करने के लिए. So for this, knee down on the floor with your spine kept straight and heels together. Put your hands on your thighs, palms facing down. Relax and take a deep breath. Try sitting in Vajrasana for at least 5 to 10 minutes. किसी भी टाइम जब भी आप खाना खाते हो, खाना खाने के बाद 5 से 10 मिनट अगर आप बैठ जाते हो तो that's really good and it will help to improve your digestion and also prevent your hair fall.
Does yoga or asana or certain exercises stops hair fall? Does it help to prevent hair fall? So if these type of question arise in your brain, it's quite normal. Yes, it helps to prevent hair fall and it does wonders. How does yoga helps to prevent hair fall? So when we are practicing certain yoga, certain exercises, certain pranayam, so what happens when we are doing that? It increases blood circulation to our brain. So our brain, our scalp gets oxygenated blood supply and it gets all the nutrition what it required, what it needs for hair growth. It penetrates certain nerves that stimulate hair growth. It reduces anxiety and stress, increases blood supply to our scalp, so it helps to rejuvenate hair follicles, to rejuvenate hair growth. It improves our digestion, so when our stomach is clean, so एक बात बोलते हैं जब हमारा stomach बिल्कुल ही detox होता है और toxin free होता है, so that results we can easily see on our hair, nails and our skin. अगर हमारा स्किन, हेयर और नेल्स हमारे हेल्दी नहीं है, डिजीज्ड हैं, सो इसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न हमारा डाइजेशन होता है. सो हमारा बॉडी में बहुत से टॉक्सिन्स बिल्डअप हो जाते हैं, हमारा स्टमक क्लीन नहीं होता, हमारा डाइजेशन बिल्कुल सही नहीं होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे नेल्स बहुत ही कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं, हमारे बाल बहुत टूटने लगते हैं एंड हमारे स्किन पे कई तरह के एक्ने, पिंपल्स एंड लॉट्स मोर लाइक देखने को मिल जाता है. Without any side effect, without spending money and without spending much time, the results will be worth all the efforts you put. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you liked my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye.